Funnel or no funnel? I know there was this whole hype and stuff about funnels. It's something that most people don't understand fully, so I'll try to clarify it towards the end, but which one do you fall under? Do you believe in funnels or no funnels to be able to grow? That is the question. Funnels on this side. Should lawyers use sales funnels to attract and convert leads, or should they focus on other things, their websites, their traffic, other things?
I will start off by saying my name's Zola Charles. I do personal injury and criminal law and a bunch of other stuff. I have a very small firm, and I have contract work that I do with the state. So having a funnel for me doesn't make much sense, but for my PI track. So it's not that I'm against funnels, it's just that it doesn't work with my business dynamic right now.
Hi, Sarah Williamson. I'm a transactional corporate attorney and have pretty much niche, high ticket firm. And funny enough, I'm one of those people who like funnels doesn't really work for personally, like in the way that I buy. I'm the type of person who I'm like, I see it, I want it, like, and that's it. Like, I don't need any convincing. However, funnels are a proven system. So because of the data, because of how the average person purchases, because the average person needs to be convinced to make a decision one way or the other, that's why I'd say funnels.
Hi, I'm Benji, personal injury and employment. So I am a Sam disciple. I follow Sam. I do everything that Sam says except funnels. And it's not because I don't believe in it, it's because I don't understand it to this day. To this day, I've taken the course, I've listened to Sam, I've sent him voice notes. I said, what the hell is a funnel?
Good news is we'll clarify that today. We'll clarify it.
I know. But the thing is, I do believe in nurturing, so I send the text messages, the emails, all the social media stuff, but still to this day, Sam, I don't know what it is.
Hi everyone, my name is Nazra and I'm an IP and business attorney. Funnels for my firm has worked a lot. So I started my firm 3 years ago, and for the first 2 years it was completely organic, and the funnel we used was on Facebook groups. So someone had mentioned that, that's where, if your ideal client is, that's where you need to go. So I work with a lot of women entrepreneurs, course creators, folks like that. So we would have lead magnets that they would want. These would be guides. And then my VAs would talk to them in the DMs. So we bring them into our world, get them into our email list, and they would turn into clients. And for the first 2 years, that was the only thing we did. So organic funnels worked great for us.
I actually use funnels, but I think for me, most of my clients don't even go through it. They just call. They have an urgent issue. It's so many current criminal defense attorneys in the area. They're just looking for a number to call. They want to talk to a lawyer fast. They look in your website, see you got reviews, see you've been doing it long enough, and they want to book fast. So for me, funnels just hasn't really worked for me.
Hey, Marty Elberg, bucket list attorney. I do estate planning and probate. So yeah, you can start a funnel in the middle or the beginning or the end. So anytime I get a referral, I still put them through my funnel because my VA books an appointment and then sends them a link to the video, or they're online and they already get it, and their thank you page isn't really a thank you page, it's my funnel. So they watch my video, they already know who I am, and then they start getting a bunch of emails about who I am and the services I provide. So by the time they speak with me in 3, 4, 5, 6 days, whatever that appointment is, they know who I am. That's the funnel.
I want everybody to get clear on this, and I think there's a lot of misconceptions about funnels. But most people, when they think about funnels, they think about ClickFunnels or this ugly-looking, kind of clickbaity, salesy guy who's trying to sell you something. That's what it was, and that's how people kind of imagine it, but it transformed itself. Ultimately, it's a framework, and it's broken down to 3 things, and we know all these things, and I'll just reiterate it. The first thing you want to do is just to capture the contact information, okay? Second is to nurture them. The third thing is follow up with them automatically. So there's different variations of this. Some people can set up the system where their traffic is YouTube, they come to your Facebook group, that's your kind of how you contact them. Then after that, they're getting nurtured in your Facebook group, and ultimately you're trying to follow up with them. But whatever it is, everybody needs to have a system to go to one traffic, which is pre-funnel, get their contact information, nurture them. The lead nurture page is amazing for that, or a page that has a video will be amazing for that. Then having a system where it goes into that you can automatically follow up with them, even if they call in. Justin, they call in, great. So they should go into some system, CRM or whatever it is, so that it could be followed up on, nurtured, and all the other things. So think of it as framework. Just break down your customer journey, whatever it is, like different names for this. Just again, think about a framework. As long as you have that, and again, the benefits is once you kind of break it down, then you're able to refine each of those processes. When you break it down, you're not thinking about, oh, they came in. No, you got to know where they came in, so you could refine that lead nurture page, and make it better. The follow-ups, send more, do for more. Again, the more you're able to do that, the more client information you get, the more you're able to feed that. So kind of break that down. Again, don't overthink it. All of us already have funnels, we just don't realize it. So don't overthink it.